Hey, Troy here, and if you're looking for something realistic, I'm talking about a realistic way for you to be able to earn $10,000 or more per month, then you need to pay close attention to this short video. And more importantly, I'm going to be sharing with you how I market this. Look, right now, as you're watching this video, you could turn social media into your own personal ATM that pays you every single day. So the page that you're looking at right now, this is a free digital business card that I highly recommend that you get your hands on and that you use. And when this video is over, you can do one of two things. You can click the description below this video so that you can see how to get access to this site, or when this video is over, you can go directly to troyminer.net, troyminer.net, and when you're on this page, you want to click this Start Here video. It's going to be a quick introduction, a little bit more about me, about the fact that, this income is real. As they say, documentation beats conversation. So that's all here. And then you're going to come over here and click this My Instant Cash System. And why I'm sharing this page with you right now and why this is so extremely important is that if you're trying to make money on social media, you have a home business, right? Network marketing, affiliate marketing, whatever. The problem with social media is that, and I'll use Facebook as an example, you can't really create that know, like, and trust factor just from your Facebook timeline, right? Or whatever social media sites you use to promote your opportunities. You only have room for like maybe 2 sentences in there and a link. So there's no credibility. And why I recommend creating this free digital business card is because this gives you all the credibility it is that you'll need. It helps create the know, like, and trust factor, and it's something that helps people be able to generate free traffic, get free leads, and to make sales regardless of whatever opportunity it is that they're promoting. So if you're solving a problem, which is what this free digital business card does, if you're solving a problem and you're helping the 93% of people with a home business that are not making money online, then people are going to be more open to taking a look at what it is that you have. And I can promote multiple business opportunities with this system. I can add all my contact information on here. I could add marketing systems on here, all from one link. All from one link. So again, you could either go to troyminer.net, troyminer.net, or if you go to the description, you'll see simple instructions for you to get access to this page. Be sure that you create your free account. And, if this video resonated with you in any way, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Once again, it's Troy. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.